Alright, this is December 27th, and a blizzard that we have here in Maine dropped about, I don't know. Well, it's dropping a lot. Come on, girl. Come on out here. What you doing up there, buddy?
I'm sinking!
Huh?
I'm sinking!
Yeah, I know you're sinking, all right. So this is the middle of a blizzard here in Maine. Oakland, Maine. We're gonna try and, did you get the mail?
Not quite.
Not quite. There's the girl up in the window. She ain't coming out here for this. This is, we're getting heavy snow drift. Complete annihilation of the house. I almost cut my finger off the other day, shoveling snow. So this is going to be rough to get up there, but I got to get up there and get that snow off there. Because that stuff's going to weigh like 20,000 pounds. So this is December 27th, 2010. You can see the snow banks over here. All the snow. There's a snowbank. Look at the size of that baby. That's got to be 6 feet tall. Let's go get that mail, son.
If we can make it.
We'll make it. Just stay off of these screens over here. How you doing, dog? You okay, hippo? I know it's rough, girl.
Whoa, I am still getting on that?
Well, that's about 4 feet deep. 3 feet deep. That's some mighty snow. Dude, you ought to have your snow sled out here or your snow skis. Whoa, that's a lot. I can barely walk in that. Look at that.
Oh,
I'm sinking down all the way down to my...
I'm littler!
To my... Wow! Wow! My neighbor thankfully plowed my driveway about 6 a.m. this morning, but now that's some snow. It's very tough to shovel that off. I may have to get up there right now. That's a lot of snow. Listen, buddy, we may have to get up on the roof right now. That's too much snow. That's too much. At least in the window. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Alright, go get the mail, son. There's the mailbox. She's covered. So this is a Maine winter for you. My finger's got about 20 stitches in it. I got to get that snow off of there, though. It's going to be rough. Well, this is going to be a rough one here, buddy. We got to get up there and get at least that corner piece of snow and that bank right there that's covering the window. I've got to get up there, Ken. I'm sorry. I might need your help. Okay. So, anyways, you get that mail out of there. Lexi, come on. Lexi, get her out of the street. Come on, girl. There you go. You kooky dog. A plow truck will just plow you right over. You quackopotamus. God. Yeah, you think you like it now. Well, they'll leave you out here for half an hour. Grab it all, son. So this is a Maine winter here. We're not even in January. Now, January gets rough. So, January is going to be pretty rough. But, I better clean that lens off. All right, let's go. Let's go, son. Come on, little tiger. Hold on to it tight. Dude, this is like 4 feet of snow. We don't like this much snow.
I do.
I don't.
No, snowboarding, I do.
Woo! Man, I don't think we're going to be able to make it to Hamilton Pond Hill today, but there'll be some good snowboarding over there tomorrow, dude. I'll let you snowboard down that. All right, I got to get some of this snow off the roof, so go ahead and get me on the camera. You can't see it? All right, well, this is Sea Dog Nation here in a blizzard in Oakland, Maine. This is December 27th, 2010, and I'm going to be signing off. I've got to get everybody back in the house and get the roof shoveled. All right, peace out.